guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get this soft lilac cut crease using Flutter by Colourpop. This is their new palette. So if you're ready, let's get started. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and sometimes a bonus video like this on Sunday. I'm going to first take Wildwing with a flat fluffy brush from Doe Color, and I'm going to use it in the inner half of my crease. And the way I'm going to use it is I'm just going to keep stamping it and building on the color till I'm happy with the intensity. And I'm going to do the same in the outer half of my crease using Angel BB. And I'm also going to make sure that the two colors overlap and look seamless. Next, I'm going to dip into Made to Last, and I'm going to use this to soften the crease up using a blending brush. And I'm going to make sure all the colors are well blended and they melt into my skin tone. To cut my crease, I'm going to first mark the area where I want to cut the crease using the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in medium 28. And I'm using a concealer brush from Colourpop. And then I'm going to fill in my lids using the same concealer. I'm going to let the concealer dry just a tad bit, and while it's still tacky, I'm going to set it with this Super Shock shadow from Colourpop in Ringlet. I'm using a Colourpop flat shader brush, and I'm going to completely fill my lid with this Super Shock shadow. And if you've used their Super Shock shadows, you'll know that the pigmentation is amazing and the consistency and formula are so unique. It's neither a cream nor a powder, and it applies so beautifully. Next, I'm taking Float On with a small liner brush, and I'm going to pull out a wing using this eyeshadow. And then I'm going to take a little bit more of the same eyeshadow with a flat shader brush, and I'm going to start dragging the eyeshadow towards the center of the lid. So that gives a really nice shading and that ombre effect. And it also gives that negative space in the very outer corner, and it gives you that subtle double cut crease effect. Next, I'm going to jazz this up using some glitter. This pressed glitter is beautiful. It's called Overpacked. I'm taking it with a small fluffy brush from Coastal Scents, and I'm going to very lightly, gently, delicately dab it throughout the lid. In my lower lash line, I'm going to first smoke out Angel BB using this flat fluffy brush from Coastal Scents. Then I'm going to deepen the outer corner using Flat On, and I'm going to make sure it's well connected to the top lash line so everything looks well balanced. In my waterline, I'm using the Piggy Bank liner from Colourpop. In the new collection, they also have a beautiful highlighter. This is the Flyby Pixie Puff highlighter, and I'm going to use this to highlight my brow bones as well as inner corners. I'm going to curl my lashes, apply some mascara and false lashes. For lashes, I'm using Doll by Colourpop. And in my lower lashes, I'm using the BFF mascara in Purple Prose. You can definitely use a black mascara, but I just wanted to give it some character, and I think it looks really pretty with the eyeshadow. So I decided to go with a purple mascara. And here is the completed look. The lenses that I'm wearing are from Melon Color, and they're in the shade Sugar Brown. I absolutely love their lenses. I've linked it in the description box below along with all the other products that I've used in today's tutorial. You'll also find my social media links. So if you're not following me there, please do so, because I chat a little bit more on my social media. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you're new here, and comment below and let me know how you like this tutorial. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new video. Bye guys.